Hello and welcome back again in CAD with Kamal. This is Weldment exercise second. In this tutorial we will learn that how we can design this chair in Solidworks Weldment exercise feature. We also learn about Weldment end cap and gusset tool. So don't waste any time. Let's start today exercise. Select new part and OK. Screen background or select plain white and unit measurement in millimeter. Let's see the drawing. So this is our chair drawing. You can see top view, side view, back view. I create a weldment cut list. So in the cut list you can see every tube have different length, angle and its quantity, and you can identify easily with the item number with the balloon. I prepare 3D sketch also for reference. So the leg height is 350 and sitting tube is 300 by 300 and shoulder support is 360 and there is an angle also with the sitting and shoulder support 100-degree angle. So let's start this. Select 3D sketch. So I select line and start with origin. You can change the direction with the tab key. I draw four line and hold the control key. I select these 4 lines and make relation equal. I give dimension 300. Okay, I select line again and I'll draw 4 vertical line, 4 legs. Make relation 4 lines equal. And length is 350 mm. Okay, I select line again. Select these vertex points. Change the direction with tab key. Select dimension. I give angle 100-degree. This is parallel with this line, so I give here angle 90 and here also. So it will be straight. And here to here distance is 360. Sketch fillet R60. I select these 2 points. So you can see our sketch is fully defined. So let's exit here. Come in weldment and select structure member. Select standard ISO. Type I need square tube and size I need 30. Group, select new group and select this line. And for the locate profile I select this vertex point because I need dimension outside to outside. Our material come inside. 300 I need outside to outside, or select this outer point. Select new group again and select this line. Locate profile, select this new group, select this line. Locate profile, I select this new group. Okay, to solve this, come in again structure member, edit feature, select group 9, align. I select this line, align vertical axis. Locate profile, select this and OK. It will come in perfect shape. Trim and extend, I select and trim and select these two tubes, and for the bodies I select these bodies. OK, and this time I select end meter and select the two tubes. One more time I select these tubes. Okay, this area is finished. Now we need to draw these rectangular tubes. So you can see here distance is 60. So let's draw this. Let's hide this sketch first. Select 3D sketch, line, select here. Okay, dimension, (60), exit structure member. This time we need rectangular tube and size we need 50 by 30. New group, I select this. To align this face with this face, you can turn it with the degree option 90 degree and locate profile. Select this point. Okay. Come in trim and extend option. Select this and trim. Select this body and trimming boundary. You can select these two tubes. Okay. Let's hide this sketch. Come in feature and use linear pattern. For the direction 1 I select this line, and for bodies I select these two tubes. I need distance 60 mm in every tube and I need 4. Okay. Same here, we need shoulder support tubes, so we select sketch, 3D sketch, select line, this is 40 mm and other is 16 mm. So I use 40 mm here. Exit, weldment structure member, same size we need, new group and select this. For the align, I select this line and change the angle 90. Locate profile, I select this vertex point. Okay. Trim, select this. Trimming boundary, select the two tubes. Okay. Come in feature, linear pattern, direction 1, select this line. Come in bodies, select this body. We need 5. Distance is 60 mm. Okay. So let's apply appearance for the color. So all 30 square tube I select. Come in appearance. I give this color. And for the rectangular tube, I give this pink color. Now for the gusset, come in weldment. See here gusset feature. Select gusset. For the gusset you have to select two faces at least. So I select this face and this face. Now there is a two type of profile. One is triangular profile and one is polygonal profile. So we need triangular, and my first dimension one is 25. So here to here 25. This corner to this corner 25. So we need 50 mm. And where you want thickness, from the mid, from the side, from the other side. So we need thickness from mid 5 mm and location in the mid. You can select direction also here. We need in the mid. Okay. One more gusset we create here in two faces here. Now I need to apply the gusset in all four legs. So I create a plane. I select this face and this face. Okay. Come in mirror, bodies, and select the gussets. Plane all is already have here. Let's hide this plane. Again I select reference plane and select these faces. Come to mirror, mirror plane 5 already taken. Directly you have to select bodies. Select these bodies. Okay. Let's hide this plane. Hide this sketch also. So this is it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question or doubt, you can write in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you.